They'll probably be back at the beach by now. I hope they don't get away after all we've done.
The Home Guard will catch them. You can bet your life on that. And you're right, Clyde, what you said to them Jerrys. We will crush them. I want to join up and I'll do it myself.
That's not what I meant, George. I don't want you to fight. It's dangerous out there.
It's my duty for king and country.
But at least leave it a few years. 1945, to be precise.
Not likely. I'm going to get stuck in as soon as they let me. Just you wait and see.
Right, you wait for the Home Guard. Keep the door locked, though, in case the Joes come back.
And where are you going?
Back to where I came from, I hope.
London. Well, what about the bombing?
It's not the London you're thinking of. Look, I can't explain. Good luck, though, Georgie boy. And if you do sign up, please, be careful. Well, stun me.
In the past. Without her, the Earth is doomed.
You think my father would believe that I've traveled in time?
Not everyone's as open to new ideas as us. But at least you two, you'll be talking, sharing things, and not dwelling on what's gone and can't come back.
Yes. It's the here and now that counts. You were right. Though the future does sound exciting.
Well, the future's got its problems, too. Talking of which, Emily, I need that key. Thank you.
What's happening?
I'm going back to my own time. I'm sorry, but this is goodbye.
I don't want you to go. I want you here. I want to learn more.
Oh, you will all by yourself. Oh, please, let's go.
Sarah Jane, I'm sorry.
Where is the Chronostine, Miss Smith? The key. I need the third object.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I lost it.
Send me back, I'll get it.
This time window's too dangerous now. Only the key can close it, and it must be closed.
But it must be something we can do.
It's too late. The Earth is about to be sucked into the time vortex.
Are you Sarah Jane Smith? I've been asked to give you this.
Oh, we did it! The time window's shut!
Indeed you did. How marvelous.
Where are you going?
Now that would be telling. The captain's work is done here, which is all you need to know. I'd love to stay and chat, but, well, duty calls.
The captain's work. We've been working for a flipping parrot.